Hi, so sorry for the bad audio, but that's fine. This is the market I was going to. It's in the Boston area. I'm just walking around, showing everything. So I think this was going to be a really fun market, and I was right. It was. I really stepped out of my shell, and it was great. We made back our booth fee almost immediately, and everything went really well. Nice hauls, nice view, We had a really nice location. We were in lockers, so it was kind of like having a little booth, but not an actual booth. Sadly, there was not so nice drawing on the booth, but that's fine. I mean, not the booth, one of the lockers. This is our view. There was a nice person in front of us, and this was me doing my intro, but I was scared to talk, and I had a sprinkle in my mouth. It was more walking around. I thought it was great. And I really liked walking around. There's a few other crocheters. I wouldn't consider them competition. But, they are technically competition. But I made I wouldn't say friends, but I met a lot of people. And it was really nice and wholesome. Thank you.
Oh, I love the shiny thing. So what do you make?
I make, coasters, the bandanas, these are pouches, the flowers, scrunchies, that.
Oh, wow.
I basically make everything, but specifically I've been focusing on crochet. I have slime over here.
Cool.
Jewelry.
Well, that's an impressive.
Thank you.
I am definitely gonna buy your sweet little flowery coasters here. So I have 2 $1 ones and 4 of the $1.50.
Would you like me to pack that up for you?
Oh, I could probably toss it in what I already have here.
All right.
Now tell me about this. What are these?
They're like little garlands that are like leaves. The prices, I measured them, like all of them. This one's 33 inches. I did messed up, but that's fine.
Those are adorable. Those are very cute.
So for $150. Bring up the calculator.
I might actually have a $10. Do you have $2 and change?
I think I do. And I have a coupon for our online shop and a care card, just like if the coasters get dirty.
Oh, great. Thank you. Good luck today.
Thank you.
I was pulling out my winter coasters and I thought, oh, it's something springy. Like, even though it's snowing, I'm like, wow. So this is perfect. You caught my eye. So good job.
Hi.
Is everything just all crochet?
Most of the things are crocheted, obviously, not the jewelry, but I can make all of it. We have crocheted scrunchies.
Those are so cute.
Thank you. All of
I
our colors
crochet
are right there.
myself too.
Oh, what do you crochet right now?
I like crochet plushies. I'm wearing one of my scrunchie remedies.
Oh, that's cool.
I like making hats and stuff.
I cannot crochet plushies for the life of me. I have to use tiny yarn or else I'll get like confused.
Yeah.
I don't like counting my stitches.
Are you selling it? Are you selling it?
Yeah.
How much is it?
I think it's $25. Yeah. You can open it. It's just like a little trinket box.
I can sell it.
Yeah. Can I have it?
Yeah.
It's just like a little trinket box. And I crocheted over it and then added all of this. That is $15. That's like clear, thick, and glossy, but like dyed. Hi. This is the jelly slime cloud dough. So roses are 10. I haven't really thought about how much these are, so I'm gonna like say that these are also 10.
tulips are 8, and this is 7 because it's easier. And lavenders are, I believe, also 8. I believe that is $3, and I would do size differences, but I'll just keep them at 2. That is $150. Would you like a bag?
Oh no.
And you can take a business card to check out our website.
So a little check-in. We've gotten 4 at hour 1. We've gotten 5 orders so far, and I've made 2 coasters in the time, and it's going pretty well. I'm actually talking a lot, which is great.
Love frog. Yeah, our mascot is a frog named David.
How much are these?
I think those are 16. We can take card. We can wrap it up for you. Yeah. I'll get a bag ready. Thank you. I had a lot of fun making all of this. Yeah. And that's a two-cake cake box. But you're holding it upside down. Yeah. Like normal.
I don't want to. It's so cute.
Let me get the order ready.
I'm getting a bandana and a little bag.
You see that doll?
Thank you.
I bought it for my sister. Oh, yeah.
That's all. Thank you. You can take the squishy. You can take those. We just have them for free. Yeah, I think these. The slimes are, all of them are 12. We have non-sticky ones. We have these are not sticky. Pepino. It smells like cookies.
It does.
The other ones are stickier, and sadly I forgot our activator.
Yeah.
But it's just borax and water that's available in any store, as well as contact solution works as activator.
They're really cute.
I need caffeine soon. Hi.
Crochet is back.
It is very trendy. There's so many crocheters
Very
here.
sweet.
It's lovely.
Nice even stitches.
Cute. Hi. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
How much?
Roses are 10, tulips are 8. Like these are L8.
Esta vale 10, esta vale 10. Thank you.
That's $12.
They're like garland you can hang over your door or just decorate your room.
I like that.
They are.
Is that a real donut or a crochet donut?
Real donut.
That was a real donut.
One of crochet donuts. I'll go after Vincent to go.
We made back our booth fee already.
Well, the flower. Look at this. I'm gonna do that. See, you need to make a vase. Okay, shake this.
Hi. Hello. It is hour 4, I think, or 3. I don't remember. For 4? This is hour 4. We made money. I don't remember how much money. I'm very tired, but I got McDonald's, so
Hello?
I hand make all of them.
My cats love these things.
Uh-huh.
We chase them around the house.
Mother said don't slide in my house.
You know what? You're coming to my house one day during vacation. I'm just going to be down here during the school vacation. So should we get a slide?
Yeah.
What flavor do you want?
You want the strawberry? The strawberry?
Which one do you want?
It's only 12.
Hey, if it's not at my house, I don't care. I
Yeah.
want it at my house.
Papa's house. Then. Is this the one you wanted?
I have over 100 berries.
This is the one you wanted? Are you sure? Hold on. Smell.
It's got lots of stuff to play with.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Oh, card?
I'm sorry?
I was just realized it was going to be card.
Let me make $12.
You want a Tootsie Roll?
Oh, Tootsie Rolls are free, by the way.
You want a Tootsie Roll? Does Nana want a Tootsie Roll? Get one for Nana. Grab one for Nana. Tootsie Roll. Give it to Nana. Nana likes Tootsie Roll.
For hour 5? Yeah.
2 ago.
Whatever hour, I forgot. And then a lot of sales. Some sales. A lot of possibility. Hi. And I started wearing this, and I bought yarn. There's a yarn person here. It's alpaca. He gets alpaca from his own farm, which I thought was pretty cool. And it's so soft.
2 would be 24. Yeah. Or 1 is 10.
24.
24. Is there a deal to get 3? Yes, it is.
Buy them both together. And then you get something else. Is this the one you wanted? Strawberry hot cocoa?
What do you have there?
Would you like me to pack this up? I started in January.
You did? Good
Yeah.
for you.
Thank you.
Did you just like go on YouTube? And
Yeah, I just went on YouTube. I took like one class, which helped. Helped with mostly yarning over, because apparently I was struggling with it. I think I was yarning under instead, which is still way to crochet.
I think it's cute.
It opens. It opens like a treasure holder.
Oh my gosh. Very clever. Very clever.
Lavender, yeah, you can make it with
They're pretty, aren't they? Lily of the Valley, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a little rose bush, and like a puff tulip.
Nice job.
Thank you. Hi. See the flowers?
Yeah, nice. Thank you. How many flowers did you make? I made this is really nice. Those are cute. I don't know how many I made, and then they're just little flowers not attached to anything. Sorry.
It's okay. Little rose bush.
So clever. Beautiful. Stuff?
Bandanas. I'm wearing one right now.
Yeah.
Or just tie it up.
Yeah, that's what I meant, you know. They were good.
Yeah.
Hey, you take care of yourself.
Hi.
Did you do all this?
Yeah.
You did, not her.
I did.
No, I mean, it's when I sit in the back.
Hmm?
I sit in the back.
You sit in the back.
This is crochet. Yep.
Really cute. Someone back there does bandanas too.
Yeah.
I met her. She's really nice.
You're good.
She'll take
But
that.
I do crochet too. I love this.
You do very well.
Thank you.
I just got you making a mixer cover.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
You do a good job.
Thank you.
Final hour, second. Like a little sales, but this is the final hour, so either there's going to be a lot of sales at the end, or there's going to be no sales at the end. There's no in between. So, see y'all when I'm at home. Probably tomorrow. Hello everybody. So, a few days after the market, and it's sunken in, and I really miss it. It was great. We made $201. I met a lot of people, and we might be doing a wedding bouquet for somebody's bride. And that's honestly amazing to me, like being able to be a part of that. I also just realized how cool it would be to have your wedding bouquet and your wedding like flowers forever. I don't think there's many things wrong with it. Great setup. It only took 2 seconds to get in. Parking was easy. I say nothing bad about this. The foot traffic was pretty good. A little slow here and there, but we made good money. I talked to a lot of people. It was a change of pace for me, and I now know what I need to bring more of. So in the very first few minutes, we had coasters that there was a little star guy from Mario, the superstar. I had 4 coasters of him. One person bought all 4. So I had no stock left of that. Only 1 bracelet sold, no earrings sold, 1 bandana sold, but most people just didn't know what the bandanas were. They thought they were bibs. But so many coasters sold. That was like our main seller. A lot of flowers sold, no lavender sold. I don't think many people knew what they were. Only a few scrunchies sold. I think it's just because of the market. There was like old people more and like little kids. Speaking of which, we sold out of 2 types of slime, which is awesome. And keychains. So we sold out on our mini bouquet keychain, and we almost sold out of our strawberry keychains, which is wild. I'm gonna make so much more stuff for the next one, which is on April 27th, and it's in, sorry, I just got slime on my shirt, and it's in Gloucester, Massachusetts. I'll tell you, I'll make a social media post, and if you want to come see me. And I'm also gonna have a drop on the 14th of April. It might be already be past that, it might be before that, it might be the day of. But we'll see when this gets up. But I am super happy with basically everything that went on. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And I really hope this video goes well. If you made it here, please just like the video. Helps the algorithm. It's free. Takes only 0 time. Like you could click the like button while I'm doing this right now. Why aren't you doing it? Are you just being a little bit of a... No, I don't know what I was gonna say there. I was gonna say something either cringy or rude. But no, if you don't do it, that's okay. You do you. And if you do it, thank you so much. Anyway. Bye everybody. Hope you had a nice day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one.